How excited are you about it? Guys, look at this place. How cool it looks. Everything is like fish themed. Also these like walls. This is chicken and potatoes, and this is fish and chips, of course, for the lady. Guys, the amount of potatoes is just too much.
Good morning, this is our first day, first full official day in Ireland. So just a bit of backstory of this trip. So Francesca and me, we don't usually give each other like presents, actual physical presents for our birthdays, but we always travel. We always try to find an experience, book a trip, whatever that we can experience together actually. And this year we decided to come to Dublin and Galway in Ireland because I was born in February, so it's going to be my birthday in a few days. Today is the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, and it has been my childhood dream to visit Ireland. Somehow I've always been drawn to Ireland and also the UK, England, and when I was in London I loved it. So we decided to book this trip. Also, we found cheap tickets in October. It was booked in October already. So yeah, I was like, yesterday I was like extremely excited when we landed, and also now. So today we have booked and planned a whole day trip. We booked it with Get Your Guide to see the Cliffs of Moher. So pray for us that the weather is going to be good. It says it's going to rain the whole day, of course. But I really hope that it's going to worth it. Francesca is currently making our food for the day. She's in the kitchen doing pasta. What else? And yeah, soon we're gonna get going, and we're gonna also bring you along. We actually shot some clips yesterday, which was basically the day of the travel. You can see a daily vlog on TikTok about it. And from today on, we will also do some YouTube vlogs, as you can see, and try to show you as many things as possible from Ireland and from the places that we are going to visit in these few couple of days. So yeah, come and let's go!
Buongiorno.
Buongiornissimo.
How was our pasta?
Our pasta?
Our pasta.
We'll see.
It's cooked?
It's cooked. We have to put the ingredients together.
Perfetto.
So we started the Cliffs of Moher tour, but this tour has smaller stops in it, and one of them is this lovely castle. So now we are basically walking to the castle, if Francesca is also paying attention,
Yes,
but
yes.
she's not.
I am always paying attention.
So before we reach the Cliffs of Moher, we are going to stop in some places, and one of them is this one, and then we're gonna go to chocolate factory as well, right? So it's very cool. There is a tour guide on the bus, and he's also the driver, and while he's driving he's like talking and sharing the history and stuff like that along the way. It's very fun. I really enjoyed it so far.
Yes.
I think it's very cool.
I think we can also go inside of the castle.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Guys, this is dangerous. Going down there. It's beautiful though. There are a lot of seagulls. the first thing she finds is a cookbook in a chocolate factory.
Mass-produced, mass-produced, which we've established as the norm for the industry. They've got a huge variety of cocoa beans and sizes, flavors of the Bulgarian cocoa beans.
Oh, this is the chocolate itself. Have you ever seen a big chocolate like this? Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Buono. Also here is the whole factory basically where they are doing the chocolate. And the lady here explained everything. These are also the cocoa beans themselves, like it's crazy. At the end, oh my god, what is this? Oh, we got this little paper from the lady who was serving us. What is this?
Chocolate hazelnut spread
Whoa.
for our breakfast.
Breakfast.
Let's find the bathroom.
To prevent attacks and to alert
Guy is talking.
areas along the coastline that there was a likelihood of invasion from.
We are walking to the Cliffs of Moher. I'm so excited. I'm like a kid. I literally feel like a kid. Like, guys, oh my god. And it already looks so beautiful and we are not even there. And we are very lucky today because it's dry. There is no rain so far. Hopefully it's not gonna rain.
You called it.
Huh?
You called it.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's fucking snowing. Not just it's fucking snowing on the Cliffs of Moher and it's so windy. I cannot even look in the camera. I'm gonna go backwards at this point. Oh my god. I cannot. We got into a huge snowstorm. It was a snowstorm. What do you think?
I don't know.
My whole hair is wet, literally. My hands are like freezing. I think we won't be able to go back, honestly, because it's snowing so much. It's snowing like crazy outside and everyone is just coming inside. It looked beautiful for those 10 minutes.
Yes.
E basta. She's drying my hair. You're very generous.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, Cara.
No, I should have pushed more to buy those jackets, even though they were like snow jackets.
We should have put the raincoats. We actually have raincoats, but we literally physically couldn't put themselves on. But yeah, them
it
on.
started so fast. At the beginning it was fine.
Yeah, it started like from one minute to the other. It just started raining and snowing very heavily. And because the wind is so strong, it was like coming to your face directly. So we basically physically couldn't put on those raincoats. It's okay. Now that we cannot go back, we are going to see the exhibition in here. Why my father bought the Cliffs of Moher? I mean, goals. Imagine your father buying the Cliffs of Moher. Wow. Wow. Snowstorm. Kind of what happened with us 2 minutes ago. Apparently there is this 4D experience with wind and rain effects. So let's see. We're gonna see if we can go inside. In the meantime, this exhibition is actually very cool. There are a lot of interesting things about the history and also like geographically. So far I really liked it. Also flora and fauna.
Yeah. Dolphins.
Dolphins.
harbour here would have been at its busiest. 16 and 15 even.
Buongiorno. So, some words about some of the places that we visited. So on the first day we went to this chocolate factory. It's called the Hazel Mountain Chocolate Factory and it's in the... Bless you! So basically about the chocolate factory, in the world like 98% of the chocolate providers, they do not produce their own chocolate from the cocoa beans, but they basically buy the, how to say this, like the chocolate bar, and then they are going to do their own, I don't know, flavoring, also the painting on it, the design, everything, but they don't produce it from the cocoa beans. And this chocolate factory, they are in those 2% in the whole world who are actually producing the chocolate from the cocoa beans there in Ireland. And of course the climate of Ireland is not good for the cocoa beans, obviously, but they are getting it from Cuba, from Costa Rica, from all of these places, like South America basically. And it's just like, it tasted amazing. Like, I've never tried anything like this before, like not even the dark or not even the milk chocolate. It was so sweet and creamy, like perfect, literally. So for sure, if you are around here in Ireland, in Galway, it's like a must visit place. We also bought like this chocolate spread, and oh my god, like it's amazing. And I'm not like a big chocolate fan, Francesca is, but still I am like amazed, like it's so good. Then a bit of room tour of our lovely hostel or like accommodation in Galway. It's a hostel, but we have a private room and there's a common area, the kitchen, and we cook our food there, also make our breakfast and tea and everything. So it's very cool that everyone can actually use it, and of course it's cheaper like this because we bought stuff in the supermarket, so we do our lunch and breakfast in this way, and also tonight probably dinner as well. Lovely bathroom. This is my favorite part, of course, as a girl. Like here you can change the, oh my god, like see, oh my god, it's so cool. Doing your makeup here, perfect. Then bathroom, nothing extra. And then we have a lovely little room with Francesca in it. She doesn't come with the room, but you know. This was not a good joke. She's not paying attention. Bye-bye. We have a mini fridge. Also our clothes everywhere now, it's very messy, but yeah, it's very cute. And of course the typical England windows, these 3 windows. I know we are not in England, but still it's very, very typical. And where are we going today?